Is your PRC LERIS account disabled? And no matter how many times you reset your password, it still doesn't work? Stop, that won't fix it, and today, I'll show you the real solution that actually works. Hi everyone, welcome back to LearnGov.ph. On this channel, I create simple and updated tutorials for government services. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a disabled PRC LERIS account. No useless steps, straight to the solution. First, let's make this clear. If your account is disabled in PRC LERIS, that's not the same as a locked account. Locked can still be fixed. Disabled, you no longer have access, even with the correct password. So if you keep trying to log in, you're just wasting time. Here's the truth. These will not work. Forgot password, repeated login attempts, waiting 24 hours, no matter how many times you try, you still won't be able to access your account. First option is PRC walk-in, but listen carefully. Not all branches allow this anymore. If your PRC office accepts walk-in transactions, this can be the quickest fix for account problems. But always verify first before going. Bring valid ID. Your registered email. Based on real cases, this is what actually works. Option 2 is email support. You can also reach out to PRC support through email. But to be honest, response time can be slow. So if your issue is urgent, this is not the best option. Think of this as a backup solution, only when everything else doesn't work. Option 3. Create a new account. If account recovery is no longer possible, you may need to create a new account. But take note, use a different email address. Make sure your personal details are correct. Avoid creating duplicate accounts to prevent system issues. Why accounts get disabled? Why does this happen? It usually happens because of multiple accounts, system flags or suspicious activity, inconsistent personal details, or issues during PRC's manual verification process. That's why it's very important to maintain only one correct and active account. So here's the bottom line. There is no online fix for a disabled account. You need PRC intervention. And the fastest solution is walk-in. 90% of PRC account issues are not permanent. They're just system or access problems, you just need the correct process. Did this video help you? Comment down below if you've experienced this issue. And for more tutorials on government services, like, share, and subscribe to LearnGov.ph.